Dear students, you are welcome in the Education Department at SHAHD Association. Our lesson today is OW and OU sounds. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more lessons and don't forget to activate the bell to stay notified. Our objectives for this lesson are: the first one, to recognize OW and OU sounds. The second one, to read words with OU and OW sounds. Let's start. In the Engage and Explore for this lesson, we talked about the vowel letters such as A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U. And the consonant letters are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. And we talked about the short and long vowel sounds. And now, let's start our lesson about OW and OU sounds. Let's start. My lovely students, let's start with OU sound. Now, my lovely students, look at this picture. Loud, loud, loud. Here we have OU and the sound is ow. Loud, loud. Another example, look at this picture. Excellent. This is sound, sound, sound. Here we have OU and the sound is ow. Sound. Another example, bounce, bounce, bounce. So here we read these words that contain OU sound. And now let's start with OW sound. Now, my lovely students, look at this picture. What is this? Think well. Excellent. This is cow. 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 So here we have short vowel OW. Another example. Look at this picture. Here we have down, down, down. So here we have short vowel OW. Another example, look at this picture. What is this? Excellent. This is owl. Owl. So here we have short vowel OW. Who is this? Excellent. This is clown. 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 So here we have short vowel OW. Now look at this picture. What is this? Excellent. This is down. 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 So here we have short sound OW. My lovely students, this is all for today. I want from you to solve the worksheet and send it to me. Thank you. Stay safe and goodbye. Now, my lovely students, let's solve the following exercise. Read the words, then write them under the correct heading. Crown, cloud, clown, round, flower, mouth. The first word, crown. Excellent, under OW. The second one, cloud, cloud. Excellent, under OU. Clown, clown, under OW. Round, excellent, under OU. Flower, flower, under OW. And the last one, mouth, under OU. Now, my lovely students, let's do another application. I will show you a picture and we will put the word that corresponds to the picture under OU or OW. Let's do the first one. Here we have clown, clown. It's under OW. The second picture, house, house. Excellent. It's under OU. Look at this picture. Cow, cow. It's under OW. Excellent. The last one, mouse, mouse. It's under OU. My lovely students, this is all for today. I want from you to solve the worksheet and send it to me. Thank you and goodbye. Thanks for watching. If you liked this lesson, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more. And don't forget to click the bell to get all the updates.